Absolutely beautiful. Look at these. Got a nice complexion on there. Hi guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some apple pork chops. Yes, some apple pork chops. For those apple pork chops, of course, you're going to need some pork chops. You're going to need some apples. You're going to need a few seasonings to get yourself started. So, in today's episode, we're just going to be showing you how to make some apple chicken. And of course, you're going to need some apple juice. So, guys, let's get started with this quick, easy, simple, absolutely delicious recipe, guys. Alright, guys, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to chop up some apples. So we're going to cut the cheek off, cheek to cheek, just like so. You can use these for snacking a little later. And we're just going to cut these into slices, nothing major, nothing heavy. Just chop all these pork chops up like so. Just like this. I'm going to show you one more apple. I'm just going to cut the cheeks off. Like that. You can, like I said, you can use that for snacking. And just slices of apples. Now you can use whatever kind you got. If you just have red, I'm using Granny Smith today. They're more tart, and they hold texture a little bit better. So I'm gonna be using that. And my kids prefer Granny Smith, so when I go to market and I buy apples, they're usually like the Granny Smith kind. So I normally always have these on hand. And I'm only using 3 apples. I have like 9 pork chops. So we're using 3 apples. Again, cheek to... Okay, so I'm going to finish this apple up. And when I come back, I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do next. So guys, we have our beautiful pork chops here. Look at this. They are absolutely beautiful. So the only thing I'm going to do with these right now is just go ahead and cover them in apples. Just like so. And just cover those in apples. This is so easy, so simple. My dad used to make apple chicken. And so I came up with apple pork chops. Sort of kind of using the same recipe, but a little different. A little hint. These me. I love pork chops, apple pork chops. I have a recipe for apple chicken, guys. If you guys want to go check that out. But these are my apple pork chops. And they are absolutely amazing. So I'm going to move these and I'll be back. Alright guys, these turned out absolutely beautiful. Look at these. Had a nice complexion on them. Y'all see that? They are beautiful. So I'm gonna, oh, and look how tender. Look, they're just coming off. They are bulk tender. You see that? Alright, we're gonna go in for a good old taste test. I'll be right back. We're gonna come in with a good old taste test. So yes, we're going in for a taste test. Is that alright? Put a little juice on it. You get that apple flavor. It's got a little sweetness from the apple and the honey, and all the seasoning combined together give it the right flavor. You're gonna want to try this. This is absolutely delicious, no doubt about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.